Major Kong. I know you think this is crazy, but I just got a message from base over the CRM 114.
Hey, Doc.
I can't believe I didn't get a pedicure for this. How embarrassing. Look at that. If I were the real guy doing this, I would have gotten a pedicure.
What?
My toes. I'm sorry.
I'm not looking at your toes. I'm looking at your cervix.
Right.
Hold on.
That's it?
We'll elevate your legs for 10 minutes, and you'll be good to go. Just relax.
I can't. I'm totally freaking out.
Come on, everything's gonna be great. I have a feeling that you and CRM 1014 are gonna make beautiful babies together.
Oh my God.
So dogs have an ingrained pack mentality. If we don't assert leadership over our dogs are going to show unstable behaviors or dominant behavior. In other words, in the dog world, who you are is stable or unstable energy, leader or a follower. So when a dog introduces himself to another dog, what does they do? Exactly. When a human wants to meet a dog, oh my God, it's a... So, I mean, it's like poor dog, you know? It's... And so they interacting based on energy and also the nose.
Okay, now this is getting weird.
I know, we keep running into each other. It's crazy.
Thank you.
It's not fair. You chose this place because it takes like 2 seconds.
No, I chose it because it's the best.
All right, well, I want to see you take a bite of that. I don't believe you're going to eat it.
Go away. Stop it. You're making me nervous. Damn it, nuts. Give me that. Give it to me. Go. Let go. No!
Zoe, everything okay?
Yeah. You know, just showing them who's the pack leader.
How'd you get the pet store?
Actually, it was through my dog Nuts. Yeah, I bought him at this fancy pet store near my house.
Uh-huh.
Cutest puppy you've ever seen. 6 months later, he almost dies. Yeah, it turns out he was from one of those puppy mills where the dogs are so inbred he was just kind of falling apart.
What'd you do? Did you sue them?
I thought about it, and I thought, what good would that do? They'll still sell inbred dogs, so I quit my job, and I took the stock option money over to the pet store, and I bought it.
Can I ask you a serious question, Zoe?
What?
Did you buy that dress to wear for me tonight?
Holy shit! I know.
Are you sure?
If I'm not, then my dog is.
You're not making any sense. So you're definitely pregnant.
Pull me towards you, and we start to dance all around us. I see nobody here in silence.
Don't look at me like that. Stan, there's something I need to tell you. I'm pregnant. Yes, I'm pregnant. Okay, maybe. Thanks.
Zoe? Why are you crying?
I'm pregnant.
I'm pretty sure it doesn't happen that fast.
I know, it's hard to explain.
What are you talking about?
I'm pregnant.
Okay, now, Zoe. With a little bit of luck, we'll see a heartbeat.
That's it? That little thing? And is everything okay?
Oh, everything's just...
What?
I see another heartbeat.
It has 2 hearts?
No, but you have 2 babies.
Okay, we are going to have to take a vote on this, Zoe, because I think we collectively feel that you are in a very wildly different place than where we are, so we are going to take a vote.
Okay.
Damn! Oh, you are a prince. Thanks for coming. Sea urchins?
Here comes the hand! Give me a mirror, I want to see it!
No touch, no talk, and no eye contact while the dog's nose is busy analyzing her energy and all the different scents in her body. This sniffing can last from 3 seconds to a minute. It's important not to interrupt the dog while she's intent on accomplishing this ritual.
Hey, Doc.
My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.